You got your receipts. But that fuck shit you been playing behind the scenes with their locals and the Somerset and all that shit. You want to talk about some boats? Let's talk about some boats. Talk about some woodboarding. Them trails. You want to talk about that shit? All the way up down the creek. Hell, we ain't just gonna talk about one or two. We'll talk about the whole goddamn group of them. How about them heads being moved in around the mountains? You want to talk about that shit? How about that shed, Fred? You want to talk about that shit? How about the character that's living in it for a while, Fred, and your connections to him? You want to talk about that shit? How about that 313 shit? You done tapping toes with while you were here running amok, stalking the shit out of me and doing fuck shit. All other shit. You want to talk about some shit? We'll talk about some shit. Let's talk about some shit. Let's save myself from what? I ain't got shit to be worried about, motherfucker. I and my children didn't do shit. Not a goddamn thing. We did hear witness, otherwise your ass and Laura's coming and go, I guess, Laura, right? Coming and going and being hell that day. Guess what time's Fred? Were you truly showing all the cars coming and going? On all the cameras? I'm a bet not. You know what things they might truly be looking for, Fred? What you doing, Freddy? Just talk about it. Just talk about it. I love you, Auntie. You know, talk about you pulling up property stakes, cutting off X marks on property shit for certain family members, all kinds of shit, up and down bridges and all this for years, decades even. You don't talk about that shit. You don't talk about you stealing from fleet of shit, backpacks being busted, bullshit. You don't talk about all of that. How about you buddies coming out to goddamn holler and testing camera shit, triggering shit, leading right up to summer vanishing shit. You don't talk about all that shit. Or how that truck coming and going and center hung was all your shit. Let's talk about it. You got some balls yet? You grown them yet? Now that you're on the flats. How those feel, by the way, be taking down hills and then on the flats? They feel nice? It does. Now I hope that's real, Fred. I don't know if it is. I don't know if I could check even. Well, let's see if it is, you know. Or is this like an AB thing? Or a Tiffany Marie or manufacturer chip? I don't know. March 9th, 2024. Has his name on it. I don't know. Here. I'll put the link in there. Y'all decide if it's real Fred. Fuck, I don't know. Let's give a fuck either. Fucking asshole.